Yeah, they ended up losing the series though, but it was a fun series nevertheless. You know what I mean? It was fun times watching that series. You know what I mean? Reload this shit, chat. Because eventually we're gonna get to the good stuff, like in the thumbnail. Like, or I guess the best stuff. Or, not really the best, but like, what am I saying, chat? Like, what am I saying? Eventually we're gonna get to the point where we're actually watching within the thumbnail. You know what I mean? It's just gonna take us a while. Because we have 9 years of content to go through, chat. Alright.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's us beating the Dodgers. That's what it feels like beating the Dodgers, chat. Right there. That's what it feels like. Right, you see that face? That's the face of someone who beat the Dodgers, chat. That's the face of someone who understands the victory about the victory, the sweet, sweet taste of victory, beating the Dodgers right there, chat. That's that face right there, chat. Sweet, sweet victory of beating the Dodgers, chat. Alright, we're gonna use that as an emote. If I get emotes, which one of these days will get emotes, you know what I'm saying? One of these days will get emotes, you know what I mean? Alright. Oh, I stole that shirt.
Do the vector thing.
The vector thing. There's my dog, chat. I miss Doggo. I miss Doggo.
Chicken 10D said, "That's my doggy." Chicken 10D said, "From when I lived in my old house." Chicken 10D said, "At 16 years old." Chicken 10D said, "A pit bull." Chicken 10D said, "Named Weston." Chicken 10D said, "The leper." Chicken 10D
Alright.
said,
Alright.
"Not if I..."
Good boy right there, chat. That's a really good boy. That's good boy. That's good boy. I miss good boy. You may also take a clip of this because I miss good boy. Such a good boy. I miss that. I miss good boy. I miss good boy, chat. That's a good boy right there, chat. That's a good boy. Ah. Yeah, that's a good boy. Right, they're not dead, but we couldn't keep them. Right? Alright, moving into this house, we're gonna keep him because he's a pit bull. Right? They discriminated, chat. They discriminated against his race, chat. Ain't that fucking something? Oh, yeah, that's a good boy. And he took my seat on the couch. Right. Hey, I'm gonna scroll down a little further. Let's go ahead and scroll down a little further. Oh, the good old zoo. The tourist. Fact of the day. Fact of the day. It's basically quote of the day, chat, by the way. Some dude named Jinxie kind of does this. This right here. The little fact of the day. You know what I mean? You know, fact of the day. King of the Hill. Fact of the day. Fact of the day, I guess. Right? Fact of the day, Muckraker. Right, chat? All of this shit, chat. Jinxie does this too. It's called quote of the day. Right, chat? Right? Right, chat? We'll get to that eventually. We'll get to that eventually. Alright. And keep in mind that was like 8 years ago. You know what I mean? We'll get there eventually, chat. We'll get there eventually, chat.